Hi and welcome to Wreck It with Rex. And what am I going to do? I haven't got a house cleaner this week. She's not well, so guess who's going to have to do it? So come on with me as we reset the house. Too shabby. Hey. So one of the things I want to do on Wreck It with Rex with you is I want to put in a shelf. So I've been using this here, this ironing board, as like an extra sort of table. So what I want to do is put in a shelf through here. So then that frees up this area for me to do other things. Like singing, dancing, who knows? Alright, not bad. Nice little tidy up. Vacuumed. Moving on. Let's see how much we can get done before I run out of batteries. Let's crack on. The reading nook. This blankie normally lives in the reading nook. We're always switching it up a little bit this week. Blanket case also doubles as secret surprise pillow. So this couch is what I like to refer to as the bogan couch because it lights up, you can plug things into it. Now the only problem with that is it requires power. And I don't want power cords running backwards and forwards. So my Wreck It with Rex tip, if you can afford one, get yourself one of these bad boys. Not sponsored. It's actually also very handy and I can put it behind there. I'll show you in a sec what I mean. If I can stick it behind the couch and hide it and there isn't cables going everywhere. This be behind the couch. So this goes down here. Not perfect. But works. Let's carry on tidying before we vacuum. Another little Wreck It with Rex job. This needs to be put back up against the wall now that it's painted. But as with a lot of Wreck It with Rex jobs, sometimes they can take anywhere between 1 day and 1 year to happen. Sweetheart, can you put your stuff away? With Rex tip is if you have a tiny human or several tiny humans and they always have random shite. I have this cute little bowl that I just chuck random. Oh, that's mine. Correction, if humans live in your house, you just pop this little bowl over there. And then anything that you find that you're not sure what to do with, or you don't know who it belongs to. Earplugs. Taylor Swift bracelet. It can just live as decoration, like it does over here. Here you go. Let me show you. Decoration. Now, because I like an easy way and I can pretty slack, I like white. They're not for everybody. I like getting the biodegradable ones, so there's no feel like I'm chucking it in the window. This is how we roll here at Wreck It with Rex. Not too bad. Cupboards up there, they're a different colour to the white cupboards in the kitchen and the white down there. Why? I don't know. So that's going to be another job. How can I replace those simply and easily? You'll find on the way around my house, this is becoming a little bit of a clean with me and introducing you to my home space and all the unfinished or little jobs that I want to get underway. I'm pretty pleased that we managed to paint the lounge room after 7 years. So we only had some double glaze windows and doors put in. When they did that, they had to replace the architrave. Well, let's just paint the whole lounge room and kitchen. And it only took about 4 months from start to go. That's pretty good. Let's wreck it with Rex. Little second rest, but we're going to crack on because it's 2:45 and my daughter gets home from school in about 45 minutes. I'm going to go and pick her up because weather. All right. Now, this is a project that we need to do for another day. I don't know about anyone else, but when they walk past a room like this in the house, it just sets off my anxiety through the roof. Oh, hi, there you are. So this is our front door. So my next project on Wreck It with Rex is going to be putting draft seals around this door because so much wind seems to come through the tiny, teeny little hole or the gap in between the door and the door frame. Let's get this area vacuumed and tidied up, then the bedroom, then we're done for the day. The boudoir finish up with the lounge. The vacuum cleaner ran out. That means it's the end of the... This is a great vacuum cleaner, by the way. Samsung. Not sponsored, but just awesome. And it's so easy to clean. I'll go and hang that up. And what I'll do is I'll rinse it out and then it'll dry. Look at all that. That's just from a quick run round of the house. Humans are disgusting. Well, that took probably a little under an hour. And now I'm having my protein coffee. It's absolutely yummy. Avalanche. This is the Avalanche Cafe Latte, so it's low calorie, and I've got my collagen in there too. And this is our spoon. Does anybody else have ice cream in their house that's so tough it can bend steel? So yes, I love my protein coffee. So thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you soon on Wreck It Rex for more ant adventures and more attempted decorations and attempted fixer-uppers. Bye.